Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make honey garlic salmon. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my contents. All that I'll be using to make this honey garlic salmon will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and get the full ingredients.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'll be using for my honey garlic salmon. We need some salt, some chopped garlic, we need some paprika, some ground white pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder. You're gonna need some honey, some dark soy sauce, and also you're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil. And here I'm using 500 grams of salmon. All the measurements for my ingredients will be listed down in the description box. Here we have it, guys. I'll remove my salmon from the package, put into this shine dish. Yes guys, where I'll be washing and cleaning off the back of it with all that scale. Yes guys, you want to make sure you get rid of the scale off of it before you start to cook your salmon. Yes guys. I'm just going to clean off the back of this now guys, get rid of all of that scale. That's what I'm talking, guys. You want to make sure you get rid of all of that scale off of your salmon before you cook it. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished cleaning all of this scale off of my salmon. Guys, I've finished cleaning up my salmon, clean off all of that scale off of it. Yes guys, looking like a beauty now, looking all clean. I'm just gonna rinse it off with my lemon. Get rid of that rawness off of your fish. There you have it, guys. So you want to clean up your salmon, scale it, and rinse it off with your lemon. Yes guys. Now you want to get yourself some hand towel where you're gonna pat dry your salmon, get rid of that excess water from off of it before you start to season it up. Yes guys, I just wanna lay out some hand towel into your cutting board. Yes guys, wanna get rid of that excess water off of it, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead, pat dry it. Yes guys, just like that. Turn that over now. And there you have it, guys. So you want to pat dry your salmon. Now I'm just going to cut up my salmon now, guys, into 4 pieces. Let me see how much pieces I can get. Either 4 or 3. Guys, I get 5 pieces from it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, guys. I just want to turn those over. It's time to season them. Get rid of this basin. And I'm going with my paprika. I'm going with my brown black pepper, my salt. Remember guys, all my measurements will be down in the description box. Now I'm going in with my garlic powder. Yes, guys. I'm going with my onion powder. Just want to rub these on now, guys. Slightly rub on your seasoning with your salmon. continue the same process. I'm going to turn them over. So guys, these are finished seasoning up now. I'm going to place them back into my basin. It's all dry and clean. I'm going to leave them to marinate for about 25 minutes, guys, before I start to fry them up in my skillet. Yes, guys. I'm just going to cover them up now with this cover here. Leave them to marinate. I'll get right back to you guys. Now here my salmon is finished marinating after that 25 minutes. Yes, guys. Season is smelling so lovely on my salmon. You want to go ahead and get yourself a frying pot. You're going to start to fry up your salmon inside of it. Yes, guys. You want to go ahead and add that at least 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Yes, guys. So spread that around. You want to make sure your fire is on a medium heat. I want to preheat that for about a minute or two, and I'll get right back to you guys. Now here you have it, guys. My oil is preheated. Yes, guys. Now it's time to add your salmon in. Guys, you want to make sure when you're putting in your salmon, the skin is facing down into your skillet. Yes, guys. That's the sound you want to hear. That's the know that your oil is ready. Guys, you're gonna fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Each side, and I'll get right back to you guys. And I'm spinning them over. And guys, after that 3 minutes, I just want to go ahead and turn them over. So that, guys. Telling you guys, this salmon is smelling so amazing. It's so nice, guys. So, you want to be careful when you turn them over so they don't break. Guys. I'm just going to give these the next 2 minutes on this side, and I'll get right back to you guys. And here you have it, guys. After that 2 minutes, you want to go ahead and get yourself a plate with some hand towel. You're going to put your salmon on. Guys. So I'll place them on a hand towel so you draw out some of that oil out of your salmon. So guys, just like that. Going in my butter, guys. Time to make that delicious honey garlic sauce. I'm just gonna spin them around. That can melt now. Just gonna go in with your garlic now, guys. Using about 6 cloves of garlic. Guys, just want to slightly cook your garlic. You don't want them to burn. So you don't want them to get too dark. So you just want to slightly cook them. Oh, that garlic smells so nice, guys, in that butter. Guys. I'm going to eat my honey. I'm using half cup of honey. I just want to give it a stir now, guys. Mix up that honey and that garlic and butter together. I'm just going to leave this for a minute or two to come to a boil. Let it start to get thick. I'll get right back to you guys. In the meanwhile, keep stirring it. Yes, guys, so your honey do not stick to the bottom of your skillet. Yes, guys, just keep stirring it around. And I'll get right back to you when my honey and my garlic is thick up. Now here you have it, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is how you want your honey and that garlic to start boil up. Yes, guys, it's getting thick. I'm just going in my soy sauce. Going with about 2 tablespoons. That's soy sauce. I just want to stir in that soy sauce now, guys. Now I'm I'm going in a tablespoon of lime juice, of lemon juice, sorry. This, guys, I just want to stir. So guys, I'm just going to start to add back my salmon into that now. I'm going to add them skin down. Oh, that one break. Guys, you want to be careful. So that will just like that. You want to go ahead and start to glaze those salmon with your sauce. Just adding some parsley to that now. So you want to make sure your fire is on a medium-low heat. But guys, I'm telling you, these salmons are going to taste so delicious. Especially with this honey garlic sauce. So like that, guys. I'm just gonna leave this for about a minute. And I'll get back to you guys. Now here you have it, guys. My salmon is all finished now. I can turn this off now, guys. I'm telling you, can't wait to have a piece of this salmon, guys. It's looking so juicy and finger licking ready. The aroma that's coming from it, guys, smells so nice. I'm just gonna turn this out and share this out and let you guys see. Wow, this is what I'm talking about, guys. It's looking so beautiful right here. This is how you want to prepare that honey glazed salmon with all those ingredients that I'll show you. I've served it up with some oven baked asparagus, some boiled broccoli, and here I got some mashed potato on the side. Yes guys, I'm telling you, it's smelling so delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about this honey glazed salmon when you give it a try at home. Until next time, thanks for watching.